What's up, guys? Hope you all had a good day. I'm going to attempt making my first how-to video on putting JLT oil separator on your car. I installed the left side, but this video will be on the passenger side. Yesterday I made it, so I'm going to edit and see what you think, and we'll wrap it up after you see the footage. So check out the footage, and I'll do the ending here. Okay guys, to properly install the oil separator, if you have a strut bar like I do, you're going to need a 13mm socket to get these bolts off, and carefully take them off. You got to be very careful, and you know, if you've got paint that's expensive as mine, you don't want to ruin the paint. So, or I don't want to ruin the strut bar. This is a beautiful strut bar. This is the first time I'm doing this. To carefully remove it. I won't put this on before we go to the cruising tonight. So then you've got two more on this side you've got to take off. But I'm gonna be putting the strut bar back on. Don't worry. But as far as I know, it's never been took off before. But I've got one JLT oil separator on the driver's side. They say you can run two, so I'm gonna run two. So that's what we're... Also, blow by. What these oil separators do, it traps the vapors in. Vapor. So we're going to carefully remove the strut bar. Oh, it's a heavy piece. We're going to...
Oh, you started?
No, it's in this. Alright, it's the first time I've ever had the engine cover off of it. It looks pretty cool. See, this is how they go on. They got these little balls. It's pretty cool. So, I'm going to take this off. Now we can get to the oil separator. So what you've got here is you've got these little taps that you've got to pull off. So pull. You got to pull and move. Alright. Same thing on this. Pull and move it. Pull and move. Oh, very easy. Great. Yep. Just pull and move it like that. And we just take it. Now we're going to put the oil separator on. This will go like that. And the other one goes down there like that. And guess what? I just done my first engine mod. It has two black anodized oil separators. So to really get the engine performance, these oil separators, what it does, it will reduce oil from getting on this bad boy right here. I'm gonna be changing this one too in the near future. So now what we got to do is put the engine cover back on. Carefully. You don't want to break your engine cover. that. Just like that. And what we're going to do next is put the we're going to put this thing back on. Be very careful. This is a very expensive piece. I do not want to scratch my paint. So we're doing very carefully. Go back over that. Make sure it lines up. And put your taps back in. It's that simple. Real easy. And I just saved this engine's life from engine blow-by futurely. Good thing I don't drive this car that much. And what you do now is just tighten the bolts back down. That was a piece of cake. Alright guys, here's the finished product. I've got the driver's side oil separator on, and I'm running the JLT, both our JLT oil separators on the passenger side. And it can't move, so yep. And whoever needs a PCV valve factory, there you go. This is just the catch can to just catch the oil vapors. This is what this does on both sides. We'll see which one fills up the fastest between oil changes. So, okay guys, I hope you enjoyed that. I hope it gives you some knowledge. It's very simple to put on. It was very easy. Sorry if the quality wasn't that good, but I hope I'm gonna edit it, and hopefully it'll come out pretty well. So I was told that, you know, as a Coyote owner, you don't have to put it on the left side, but I got a good deal on the oil separators, and I got both. So during oil changes, we'll see which one fills up more, the passenger side or the driver's side. So as I drive the car, we'll see. So it's actually a pretty cool experience. So it actually looks pretty cool with both of them on there. They're the anodized black. So if you don't have one of these on your car, especially if it's a boosted application, I would put it on, because it just helps with engine blow by and keeps from, especially on a boosted car, keeps from coating the rotors. So check it out, and I hope you enjoyed this video. Please give it a big thumbs up, and I will see you guys in the next upload.